Hey, it's H here, and today we're taking a look at technical analysis for S&P 500. In the last videos we took a closer look on the higher time frame count, and currently the count said that we have primary 3 up here, and we're looking for some kind of correction. Now this correction has been playing out for quite some time, so let's get an update for this count or possible counts, what could be happening next. So this is the more likely scenario here. We had a W, X, Y here into another W of intermediary scale. Now this X here, or this structure up here is a bit weird looking, and there's a couple of different ways to count it. We could say ABC up here or ABC ending here on the 9th of February. Depending on how you place that, again, the structure downwards is a bit different, but it doesn't really matter overall. There's either 3 waves into, where's my drawing tool, into this point or this point, so it doesn't really matter. Both of these counts are going to end in here at the 24th of February. At that point again we have another 3-way move up, stating this as this is an X wave. Here we have a ABC with the structure being a flat as it comes down to the 85% retracement for the B wave. At this point this is a really wonky looking 1-2 here, but it is valid, so yeah, and not much to say about that. That brings us to the C wave, and now we would be looking downwards for the last Y wave. Now just on the overall picture here, 0.618, which is the minimum target for this, is around $4,200 on SPY, SPX, and 1-to-1, which is more likely the main target, around 3,960. Now at this point here we got nice confluence for the minute scale degree. I've labeled this as a WXY as I couldn't fit any kind of a 5-way structure into this first bit here. I could only fit some kind of 3-way structure or a combination of 3-way structures in here onto this first wave of a W. So I would be expecting this wave Y to come down here to 42,000 or 4,200 area before heading higher. Now again, that would be just the first leg of the overall structure here. At that point we would be looking something like this. Why am I saying this? Well, this again, 0.618 time of this first move of this W projected from the X wave forwards in time gives us the estimation of around the 29th of April, which is still not done. If we get more price down, I would again be expecting a higher bounce before we get to the final target of this wave. However, if we again get to this $4,200 area after this 618, then I could be considering this to be the end of this structure here, whether it is completing the Y or possibly just this lower degree Y here before again seeing some movement upwards. But this is again the most likely scenario that I have on S&P 500. Now there's other count here as well, which is more bullish. I don't favor this closely as much, but again we have clear invalidations for this. Again saying that third of primary ends here, we got a WXY down here, ending the 4th correction, or at least some kind of correction. Maybe it's not a primary 4, but some things could be downgraded and then this correction would end here. again it would be super short in time, but again we came down 15% almost, which is comparable to these. Well, that wasn't it, around there, so around 10% dump on the previous one. But with this case, or this count, we're saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1. Not sure about these degrees though. They could be varying and could be different, but for now it looks fine as it is. Wave 4 is not invalidating or coming to the area of wave 1, whether the wave 1 is up here or up here. So yeah, a couple of different options here as well. Again, we have the same kind of structure used for the wave 2 as we did for the WXY correction previously shown, and we would be looking for some kind of down move still. Why? Well, because again this structure looks really impulsive, so I would be expecting first this to create at least a zigzag move. Now at that point we're already coming down quite far, and again we got the invalidation levels down here at the previous lows of February 24th at around $4,100. This is an old invalidation here, so let's remove that. Let's check out some volume to see if it supports anything here. So now this is a chart without the count I'm on SPY, as the SPX chart doesn't want to give me any volume data. So again we can see that the volume has been on decline ever since the lows of January 24th or 22nd or around there, indicating that this whole structure is still a correction and not anything bullish like the other count I showed you would show you. But again, my primary count for sure is this WXY correction and looking downwards more. Whether we break these lows here or not, we'll see. Currently though, this last leg here does not really look like it is a 3-wave action. It looks more like a 5-wave probably, looking for another high and then down for another zigzag move, possibly completing the Y wave, or again completing just the first leg of the Y wave. But yeah, that's the short labeling of these counts and short summary of what is going to happen and what might happen in the future. But again, if you have another coin you would like me to analyze, let me know down in the comment section below. But for now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you back here soon. Bye bye.